Alright YouTube, well, got another video planned out for you guys. I'm actually going to show you how to make your Irish bouzouki, whether you have a 6-stringed Greek bouzouki or an 8th-string Greek bouzouki or Irish bouzouki. If you have an Irish bouzouki that's tuned G, D, A, D, or you have the Greek 6-string bouzouki, which is just D, A, D, minus that top G string, you can actually do this. And what we're going to do is we're going to make the bouzouki, we're actually going to play dulcimer style, like a mountain dulcimer. And you're just going to use, you're going to block the G string so it doesn't play. You can do this with your thumb, or you can just not hold the G string. But you got to be careful not to hit the G string, but you're going to just play D, A, and D. Now, in this demo, I'm just going to hold my G string to where it doesn't play. And there's your dulcimer style. Now you got all the chromatic frets. You can do a chromatic dulcimer, or you can do diatonically. And let's play, I think I'm going to do I'll Fly Away. Here we go. You can do that, but if you want to play your G string, let's say when you do I'll Fly Away, you can go to when you play the G chord, do it that way. But here we go. And that is how to play dulcimer style on the Irish bouzouki. Just use the D, the A, and the D strings. Alright, there we go. Thanks for watching, and more to come later.